We're about to visit the world of giant chainsaws, wood chippers, and powerful machines. If you've subscribed to our channel, let's get started. The Tree Gripper Monster Machine is a great machine for cutting branches on the tree and shrinking its size. It looks like a lot of fun, but overheating the machine can cause an explosion. Although it looks like a snow grinder, it is a wood grinding machine that grinds the roots of felled trees left on the ground into small powder. They have worked the machine so much that the machine now has difficulty cutting trees. The sharp ends are facing the possibility of breakage due to lack of maintenance. If you have such a machine, would you forget the maintenance time? I am waiting for your opinion in the comment. The machine is so powerful that it has the power to destroy an entire forest on its own. It cuts it down without human help and stacks the branches in a corner, making it easy to transport later. Trees cut down by monster machines are transported to the factory for processing, where another adventure awaits the felled trees. In this factory where everything is automated, the residues on the wood are removed first. Then the wood is cut to the desired size of the customers and made ready. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe to support us.